Welcome back, friends. So in this video I am going to show you how to get this concept, all right, where this lady comes in from the side and continues to dance. Okay, all right, appears and continues to dance. Okay, all right, then I'm also going to show you how to create this concept where you are able to walk in between tests. Okay, right, so this one I was able to put that text behind this man that is walking past. All right, that text was not there before. All right, you see that. Okay, so I'm going to show you these two concepts in this video. All right, so the first one is you go to your apps, you use this application called the Zoomerang application. Okay, open it, and we are going to create a project. Okay, you tap here, and then the kind of project we want to create is called a sticker video. Right, this one here, tap on sticker video, and then you look for the video you want to use. Okay, so let's find the video. All right, I think this is the original video, right? Okay, no, not this. I think it's this one. Let me see. Okay, so this is the original video. Okay, so now for you to add that effect, see what we do. You see this playhead here, you can move it around. Okay, or make it go start from the beginning. You can always take it back and make it start from the beginning. Okay, so when you take it to where you want her to appear, let's play this. All right, so you can tap on it to make it stop. So let's say we want her to come in and appear like this. So you come here and tap on this plus button. All right, then you come here and select this option here. All right, and then you tap on this and select body. Okay, great. So once you select it, you want to clean off, use this eraser to clean off, some of this excess. You might not be able to clean off everything. Okay, clean off some of this excess. Okay, all right, so you can just leave it like that, and done. Come here and say done. So you have added that part, so you play it again. When it gets to where you want to add her again, you stop it, tap on this plus button here, select this. All right, select body and select the cleaner and clean off the excess. Okay, be careful not to over. If you make a mistake, you select this other one and paint it back. Okay, select this and clean off the excess. Clean off the excess. All right, hope you see what I'm doing. All right, you don't have to be perfect about this. It's just for it to look a little bit fair. Okay, and then you say done. All right, and you play it again. When it gets to the point you want, you stop it, tap on this plus button again, and tap on this one and select body, and that's okay. Once you clean off the excess, select the eraser and clean off the excess. Okay, when you select the clean off the excess, you can say done. All right, so this is how you do it anywhere you want her to come in and appear. Okay, add one more step. Okay, stop, plus, and select this body and select this and clean up the excess. Okay, and say done. So then here where you have animation is where you select how you want her to be coming in. So if you select animation, okay, you want her to come from down, you want her to come from up, you want her to come from sideways, from left, from right. Okay, so you can actually test all of these things and play it and see how it goes. So let's see what this was the one I used. So let's see. You see that? So she comes in, comes in, comes in and continues dancing. So this is how you get this effect. It's as simple as that. So the only thing is that when you want to save this now, it's going to have this Zoomerang watermark. All right. So what I do is if I say next and save it and finish to prepare to save the video and all of that. When it's done saving, I will now take it to the VN app and expand it a bit and remove the watermark. Okay, that's what I do. All right, so you can bring it into the VN app. Let's add it. Can we find it now? Is there a VN? Okay, Zoomerang. Okay, yeah, this should be it. Okay, let's see. So you see that it has a Zoomerang watermark here. Okay, so it has the Zoomerang watermark. So you know the music, you can now add your music. You know how to add your music in VN app. I just showed you how to get it. So all you do is to put your two thumbs on it and expand a bit. You see, the Zoomerang watermark is gone. So you can now save it and use it anywhere you want to use it. All right, great. So that's how you achieve this concept. Let's go to the next concept. Let me clear all this. All right, so this one is the same picture of the same man who is walking past the camera, but this time around, let me make this 16.9. Okay, 16.9. Okay, let me actually bring in, um, let me remove this. Let me Let me bring in that video in the 16.9 format or the landscape format so that you see what I am talking about. Go to, where do we have it now? Let's see. Yeah, I think it's here. Okay. Okay, here. All right, great. So let me delete this one. Okay, so yeah, it's a clearer video. Okay, see, there was no write up here before. There was no write up. I added this write up myself, and then I made this one go behind the video so that when he's passing, sorry, let's play this. All right, so that when he's passing, it looks as if he's walking in between those two tests. So how do we achieve that? Let's bring in the Let's bring in the blend clip. Can't find that video. Okay, yeah. I think this is the blend clip here. Okay, great. So you simply write any text. Okay, just write your text. Use the text button and write your text. Okay, so I think I wrote new media consultant. Okay, and I changed the font to something bigger. Yeah, some this one lollipop. Okay, and increase the size. Increase the size. Then I added a color. Added, yeah, something like this, or stroke. I use black stroke. Okay, increase the size a bit. Then the text color was white. Okay, Abi, I hope I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me see if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, I'm speaking a bit slow on this one because I'm tired. All right, so let me see if I can find. I want to be sure. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was white. All right. So I used white. All right. And I added a black outline. All right. So you can actually do it with any color anyway. All right. It's just about how you do it. All right. So when you do this, you can duplicate it. Duplicate this. All right. Select the second duplicate and bring it down. All right. The next thing you want to do is make sure you take it to the end of the clip. I think we can remove these ones. Yeah, so make sure you take it to the end of the clip. All right. Select the second one, take it to the end of the clip. All right. So the second one is where you change the text. Okay. So you tap on edit here and change the text. So I wrote my name, which is Pilaya Ejinwa. All right. So then I change the color to yellow, something like this. So start simple. All right, so let our man begin to walk. You see that initially when he's walking, all of the text is in front of him. So how do we perform the wonder and make that text go behind him in a video clip? All right, so we select that text, new media consultant. We go to blending. All right, and then we come all the way down and look for the option called overlay. Here we go. So once you select this option, you say OK. All right, so let's play it again and see what happens. You see that? So this time around now, he all right, so this time around now, As soon as it passes, so there was something I did there. As soon as it passes the test change another color. All right, so you can also do that. As soon as it's about passing the test, you change the test to another color. So you cut the test here, split it here, and then that extra, the one that you split, you come here and remove the overlay, go to blending, make it normal, all right, and come to color. You can put any color of your choice. Okay, maybe let's make it turn like this as soon as it passes. All right, so let's see. See that? So that was how I achieved that concept or that effect. So you can now add your music and all the other things you would like to do. Okay,